Now, boys, today I got a real treat for you.
Oh dear. To say I'm getting absolutely pig sick of going underneath this Mondeo now is a bit of an understatement, to be honest. And the reason why I'm going under it, well, I will show you. Right, let's make sure that does all it does. It's out of gear. I've got to cure that. It's driving me absolutely fucking nuts. It really is. However, if I add just a few revs on.
Huh. I think most men need a little practice.
Get on with it.
Oh, good God. Ah. Yeah, it only needs about 150 revs on to stop it from rattling. But on tick over it rattles. It doesn't rattle while it's driving, so... Right, so we got tools in the back and what have you. And to help cure the problem, we have brand new exhaust rubbers. Now, as you can see, possibly, I've already pre-greased this. We've also got new springs for the handbrake mechanisms, because I think that the springs that are on it are a bit worn. But anyway, let's get the wheel off and let's get the car up in the air and the wheel off, and then we'll start on this side, which is the most difficult side, because I've got to get under there and undo that rubber. The rubber in the middle isn't too bad, and the rubber at that side at the front isn't too bad, but both sides of the car have to come off, come up, so I can fit those handbrake springs, and it'll assist as well in taking this back rubber off, because I'm dealing with the handbrake. We've got one of those wheel shocks under each side. Is undo this. And then hopefully right, so there we go. Eh? What do you mean you found one of my sockets? Eh? Have you? Right, so we'll leave that like that. And then right, so we've got that. I'm not convinced that's actually shoved in far enough either. But then again, it must be. I mean, that's the thing, because now I've turned that.
Yeah, it goes where it's meant to be.
So I don't know. Right, okay. So let's just. Oh dear me. Right. Now, not sure whether you can see this or not, but this was. Hang on, let's put a torch on. Yeah. Where are we? There he is. Yeah, that was my solution to doing the exhaust hanger. Because as you can see, they're a bit knackered. Yeah, there we go. Ah, right, there he is. Yeah, so all I did was that I just put a tie strap around it, clipped it up. Right, so I'm going to get this off and then replace it with a new one. Anyway, regardless of the interruption, a brief interruption there by somebody who's just bought himself a right, oh, there we go, and then pull this off. Right, as you can see, yeah, I mean, that's knackered. Right, give me one of those buns. Right, so I've got one of these new bungs and I've just measured the holes against that and it seems fine, although I'm not sure which way on these go, but there we go.
I know which way they go on, where that stops it rattling.
Yes, the Weeble, helpful as ever, but that's as quick as it is to change your thing. These were already pre-greased and what have you. Nice chunky thing. I think that maybe this bit hangs down, so then if it snaps it rests on this and your exhaust doesn't go poof to the deck. Right, so there's that. Right, so now I'm gonna go and do the back one. Right. So again, you can see I just temporarily plugged that with a yeah, I temporarily plugged the held that up with a tie strap just to see whether it would go or not. Now these ones are real bastards to do, because you've got no bloody room to get in there. Right. Give us that crowbar, will you, honey? Oh, dear. Let's see whether I can get this in there and somehow get her off, which you don't want to do. Right, so just got a Stanley knife, slice through that, and this is where a good sharp Stanley knife actually comes in handy. Now this should be a lot harder to cut than this. So there we go, there's the old one. I mean, they don't look in bad nick, but they're knackered. We shall manipulate that on to there, like so, and then we shall lift that and see whether or not we can manipulate that onto there. If we can't, we're a bit knackered.
You ain't using this car tonight.
Ow, 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 ow. Fucking trapped hand.
Phone.
Oh, there's always fucking one, isn't there? Ah, you fucker. Right. A bit more peaty.
Oh, God, I've really screwed myself up here. Listen, could you reach into my pocket and get the number for that acupuncturist?
Your face for it. There we go. Just a little bit to wet it. And hopefully it'll just slide on as it should.
You're all here today taking this course, how to be an auto mechanic.
It's alright, I've managed it. Right. Yeah, that'll do. Well, that. Now I need to go back to the middle and tighten up that middle bit of exhaust. That's better. And then there's that side. There's that side. And then now that should do it. Right. So what I've done is that I've got a Jubilee clip. Well, actually it's a petrol pipe clip, and just tighten that onto there like so, and then that's it. That right, let's just make sure, yeah, that doesn't ping off. I can't see that coming off. But then again, one can never tell. So I just wasted fucking money on mounts that are completely the wrong thing for this. The first thing I do is tighten down this Jubilee clip until the point where it just slips over. This way! Away from the car! Oh God, never work with women or animals.
Away from the car means pull it this way, to the back, to the front.
At least with children you can... Away from the car! This way, the way that I am fucking pulling it!
I can't tell how you're pulling it.
Oh God!
How can I?
Yeah, I keep forgetting. Women have no spatial awareness whatsoever, which is why they're
on your head in a minute.
such shit drivers.
Behind you!
Ow!
I'm your number one fan. I'm your number one fan. I'm your number one fan.
There you go, subscribers. You've just seen.
Didn't see anything.
You just heard. I was slapped. Unnecessarily, I was assaulted.
You'll be more than assaulted in a minute.
Promises, fucking promises. Now what I've gone and done is that I've gone and fucking tightened it too much. Nothing, rattly exhaust, that's all.
Did we get to the MOT?
Yes, and she flew through it with an advisory on one front tyre, that was it. Ha ha.
And then she came back and decided to make her exhaust rattle.
Yeah.
Oh, at least she passed.
Oh, she passed with flying colours. Apparently her emissions are good enough to pass the 2015 limit. Oh dear me. Come on, you fucking thing. Oh, I miss my lift.
Stop whining.
No. Fucking time I'm booking it up with other people when I need it. I'm not there till Wednesday. Oh, fuck you then. Oh, for fuck's sake, I cannot fucking get onto this.
Well, she had appointments about every 6 weeks. But like now, she only goes once this year.
I keep bullying. I'm just bullying my doctor. I'm making it easy.
Right, there we go. That should do it. Yeah, that's not coming off. That's not coming off. Right, there we go. Let it go. Right. So that should be on safely and securely. Issue is to change these handbrake springs, which I'm hoping, against all hope, will actually be a lot easier. Right, and I'm hoping as well there that I've got God. Right, there we go. There's one springy. Well, I ask if these are the same for the fucking Mondeo, and look at that.
Yeah, they look different.
Smaller, tighter springs. So let's have a look at the lengths. Well, that's good, because that will fit on there, but that won't fit
On that. Being bored with this party.
Yeah, I'm getting really fucking cheesed off and pissed off and fucked off. Right, so the new spring does not work because, as you can see, there's an incredible size difference between the two, and the hooks are in the wrong fucking position. You know, what is wrong with people? I actually rang her and said, is this the right spring for my Mondeo? Oh yes it is, they're all the same, she says. Fucking lying bitch. Oh, last job of this thing is to get this wheel changed out, or get this tyre changed out. I'll show you the old one. Yeah, that's the inside. So I've either got a serious tracking problem or something else is going wrong with it. I'll get it tracked up first and see how that goes. But for the moment, I'm not getting you ready in this. It's for YouTube. What will be all that crap then that's on the inside of the rim? All that orange shit? Is that just the old soap?
That's the wax that I've just put on.
Ah, all right. YouTube. Yeah. Hmm?
You asking for permission?
Well, it's yours to object. Oh, I hate that bit. Right, I'm going to go get my tyre thing. Right, and just to finish this off, there she is, all parked up with a new tyre on. Well, it was a part one, but never mind. Right, so anyway, that's done. All I need to do is just get that, get some new handbrake springs and put them on, and unfortunately, folks, there's nothing else that I can do to her. The only thing that will need doing is the aircon motor, which I will not be doing. Dan will be doing that for me.
I said fire.
Hello. Right. So that's it.